Hello mates, welcome to the channel. Want to create a slick Google Slides with Gemini AI? This tool can whip up slides and images in minutes, saving you tons of time. I'll talk to you how to get started and nail your next deck. So open Google Slides at slidesgoogle.com on your desktop. You'll need a Google One AI Premium plan, 20 a month, or Workspace Labs access. Click the star-shaped Ask Gemini icon, top right, to open the AI slide panel, or go to Insert, Help me create a slide. Sign in and you're ready. I got it set up in seconds. In Gemini panel, pick a suggested prompt or type your own, like create a slide on AI trends with 3 bullet points. Want to use a file, type make a slide from, for example, team report.docs. It's just a file to pull from Google Drive. Click Insert to add the slide. It matches your theme but might need tweaks. If it's off, rephrase your prompt for better results. After that, spice up your slide with images. Go to Insert Image, Generate an image, or use the Gemini panel. Enter a prompt like a vibrant city skyline, pick a style if offered, and hit Insert. Images can't include people and are less session-based, so save them manually. Review AI-generated slides. For accuracy, Gemini can miss details, especially for technical topics. So, pro tip, use clear prompts and check X for user tips. Any questions, my friends? Drop them below, but in general, this is how it's done. So we can see the samples as well, as you can see. These can look somewhat like this. And yeah, guys, pretty much enjoy the video, like and subscribe. See you next time.